Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Back up personal files to an external drive and verify the copy. Once done, download the OS ISO and create a bootable USB using a reliable tool, choosing 8 GB or larger. You should reboot next and enter BIOS or UEFI to enable USB boot. Make the USB first in the boot order. This step lets the laptop load the installer. Make sure Secure Boot is off if the new OS requires it. You boot the installer and follow prompts for language, keyboard, and network so the installer can download updates. Next, choose Custom Install or Manual Partitioning. Create an EFI partition for boot, a swap area if needed, and root and home partitions to separate system files and user data. Make sure to format only the partitions you intend to replace. This preserves any other drives. During installation, review package choices and installer messages so the system gets correct drivers and time settings. You complete installation by installing the bootloader to the EFI partition and allowing the installer to finish before removing the USB and rebooting. Once booted, run system updates and install required drivers so hardware functions correctly, then restore your backed up files into the right folders. If the system won't start, check BIOS/UEFI boot order and Secure Boot. Re-enable compatibility modes if needed. As a quick tip, boot a live USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.